Hey guys, so I just realized that Google AdSense and YouTube AdSense is going to deduct 30% of my total revenue if I did not fill in the tax form. You will normally get this action required if you live outside the United States. I mean, if your account is outside the United States. So in my case, if I go to Go Payments, my account is based in the Philippines. So you just simply need to click this Submit New Form in here. And then with this Singapore, you can always disregard that if you're not a citizen of Singapore or you're not Singaporean. And then in here, there are some questions. This is my old, by the way, Form 8 bin, last 2024. So I just need to update that if I don't want to get deducted 30%. So you click on Submit New Form, click New Form, and then Form and Start Form button. So basically, you just need to follow the wizard instruction, really. And I'm going to try also to explain what are the options you should be picking. There's a lot of options in here that you need to be careful to make sure that you're getting the best discount ever. So with here, what type of account you are. If you are individual, you're just doing the YouTube for your hobby, then you should select individual. If you have a company and you want to connect your revenue to your company, then you should pick this identity in here. Okay, I'm going to click individual. I'm just doing this for a hobby. Click next button. Are you a citizen of United States? Of course I'm not. Click that. And then with this, same with this account, if you are an individual, then you should pick the 8 bin. But if you are a business, then you should pick the second option. So I'm going to click Start 8 bin form button. And these are like, this will be the starting point for the information about your tax form. So even though it says optional in here, you should be putting your foreign information. So I'm going to fill in mine because you'll be claiming they put optional there, but you cannot claim the discount, like let's say 15% discount of the tax if you didn't put your foreign TIN number. So with this one, I live in the Philippines. Click next, and you just obviously just need to fill in your updated address. Okay, here. And then the next step would be, there are some couple of questions that you need to be careful of answering. So what's saying here, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding tax under a tax treaty? So I'm going to click yes, and then pick your country. Click Philippines. And with this one, I want to claim the YouTube partnership. I want to have at least a 30% reduced discount. So instead of deducting 30%, I want to get the least out of it, so 15%. For the other businesses, which is AdSense, but not including AdSense for YouTube, unfortunately, there's no deduction for that one, so 0 or 30% default rate, no 3D. So it's actually the same. So as a tax resident of the country, identify tax section, the beneficial owner of identity section meets the required term, does not earn income. Okay. So with this motion, I don't really have this motion or TV royalties, but I'm still gonna try to ask for a 15% reduce. So in that part, you need to be careful. That part, pick the 15%. So we want to save as best as we could. So it's saying in here, has me performed any activities and services for Google within the US, or did they expect to in the future? No, never. So I'm gonna click next there, and then I don't want to be paperless. I want it to be I want to be paperless. I don't want to be hard copy. So next, and click next. And then here, then yes, oh no, what, yes, that's correct, and then submit. And you should be good to go. So just make sure that you claim that 15% if you want to save as best as you could.